Friyay Paper and Glam family. If you watched the fall home tour yesterday, then you know I said this was going to be a walkthrough of the Glam November collection, but we didn't quite get our November dashboards in from production because I sent them late because, you know, I've been busting out some serious Glam Fall videos. So we will have those on Monday, and we'll just have to do that midweek next week. So I thought we'd still play with the collection though. So today we're going to be doing a plan with me from the all new Glam Thanksgiving Weekly Kit. It is probably my favorite kit so far. It just looks so cohesive and just makes me so excited for the Thanksgiving season. I even busted out my November berry, got my berry lips on, and my berry shirt to kind of set the scene for us today. So let's plan for a Glam Thanksgiving. All right, first let's take a peek at the kit. The Glam Thanksgiving kit has this triple box up top, and then also this beautiful box in the middle here with this adorable gal stirring what looks like maybe some gravy. And then we have some place settings, a cute little toast, and in person, these mashed potatoes look lifelike enough to eat. I mean, it is just making me hungry. And then glad you're here, cute little fall decor. On the second page of the kit, we have our weekend banners, our cute little flags, some icons and checklists, and then quarter boxes, half boxes, and then our washi and our headers. How cute is this washi? It is probably my favorite of all of the ones we've done. It's got like a Thanksgiving mashup of like pumpkin pie and cranberries and gravy and little garnishes. So cute, right? And then I pulled like a few more things that I thought might be cute. So our seasonal living list, because I wanted to see what celebrations we have. So we have our espresso day. And then we have a turkey and touchdown sticker here. Oh, this is the Glam November kit that we are shipping right now. And here's our espresso day sticker. And then I got some celebrations from the November kit because we have like simmer mulled wine and stuff we might want to use on this spread. And then headers from the Glam November headers and glitter headers, and then glitter basics and quarter boxes just in case they are needed. So we have our supplies, let's do it. Okay, the first thing I did was put on the flags up at the top, and next, I'm just dying to use this washi. I just think it is smashing. So I like to layer the small and the big along the bottom of the page. Okay. Next, full boxes. So I love this little welcome sticker. I'm going to use this for the day I arrive in Napa because this just looks like a very Napa Thanksgiving here. And then the triple box I'm going to use along the Thanksgiving side of the planner. Next, I'm going to do the left top box and bottom box. So this Glad You're Here sticker, I'm going to put at the bottom of the sidebar. And then this gal is just my favorite sticker on the sheet. So I'm going to put her at the top. And then I'm going to use the This Week sticker underneath. Okay, boxes are down. I changed my mind and I put the welcome sticker here on Monday. I'll be getting ready to go home to Napa. Then Tuesday, kind of get to Napa and help my mom. We have kind of a really big Thanksgiving, so be about 20 people, which is, well, for me, that's pretty big. It's a lot of people to cook for. So I'll be helping my mom these 2 days. So it'll be me and her drinking our mulled wine and stirring all the things and chopping all the things. Then we have our Thanksgiving feast. And then, you know, leftovers day. Let's add some headers. I decided to use these glitter headers on top of the boxes because this is Glam Thanksgiving. Since there's a lot of brown in the boxes, I think we will do berry, orange, and pink. All right, that looks smashing. Next, let's put these patterned headers across the top. think I'm gonna cover this Thanksgiving writing with our ultra cute Thanksgiving sticker and see if I can get it on straight. Okay, I love that. That turned out super cute. So I think I'll do the same with Espresso Day. Next, I'm gonna add my glitter boxes. Let's see, should we make a match? Or should we do like Glam Pumpkin Patch and mix it up? Kind of mixed them up here. Let's see. Oh, and if you haven't seen Glam Pumpkin Patch, we did a fun plan with me using Glam Pumpkin Patch for next week. I'll link it after the video. It's a cute one. There's like 10 or so left too if you haven't snagged it. Okie doke, I think we will mix it up. I did a little test run and decided to make it linear. Why not? Okay. I'm gonna use these headers on the top of the bottom boxes. So let's do Grateful on Thanksgiving Day. That seems extremely appropriate. And then I'll do Today on these boxes because I won't be doing too much of anything except for all the best things, which is eating all the leftovers and reading. On these, I think we'll mix up. Or should we keep them? Or should we keep it matchy-matchy? Let's continue with our theme. Oh no, I just ripped it! Don't do that. We will have some videos going live here, so once I know for sure what videos we're going to do, it'll be either God and Glam or Book Club, so that's pretty exciting. I'll use this one, it'll be okay. It'll be okay with no pink. And then on this side is more the side that I have stuff to do. I'll be working on getting out of town and getting videos set for a fab triple header weekend. One of which is so exciting to do Book Club or God and Glam. Just kind of depends what we get back from production when. And if you're new to Paper and Glam, excuse me, we read a book a month together over on the Paper and Glam YouTube channel. We have been reading together for, this will be our 5th year. So we meet the last Thursday of the month on a live stream, and we have 8 book chatters. Well, there'll be 10 next year, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, such a fun year in books ahead. All right, back to Thanksgiving. So let me grab my signature binder. So I want to use Glam Road Trip, which is currently in the outlet because she's getting a little facelift. I'm going to use Glam Road Trip for driving home to Napa. So she's going to go here. I wonder if I should put a full box or put a half box. Let's see. Layer on a half box, maybe turned over. Or we could bust out our full boxes, or you could just leave it plain. We've got a lot going on with Thanksgiving, so we'll just leave it plain. Although I am always tempted to cover these dots. All right, I love it. And then I always go to SoulCycle on Monday mornings. It is my sanity. So this is my signature binder. If you haven't seen it before, I keep all of our signature releases, which basically means not seasonal. So anything that's just kind of really functional, like our cute little Friyay stickers, I keep them in alphabetical order in here so I can always find what I'm looking for. So let's see, should we use pink or orange? We use an orange car, so let's use a pink bike. Busted out our half boxes. So I'm loving that. Layer the Ride on top. And Ride is also in the Glam outlet because she's getting a little facelift in the new year too. Everything that is just getting a small update. All we're doing is changing the font ever so slightly. So you probably wouldn't notice too much. And then let's add our half boxes. I'm gonna just kind of add them at random. This could be problematic. We'll see. We'll live on the edge. Okay, I think it's gonna be fun to use the Friyay sticker in this box. This is my kind of week to plan, where I literally am planning for a long weekend in Napa, hanging out with you guys on YouTube, responding to all the comments. Oh my gosh, I did not put this on straight. Why? It's really hard to get stickers off of stickers too. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna fix this problem by, just covering it up. Okay, since clearly I ruined the Friyay that came with the weekly kit, we will just have to bust out the signature version. So we definitely sell these outside of the weekly kit. So there, if you look closely, you'll see these are July cover colors, August, September, October, November. So, and then it's actually kind of a mini 365 because here's January, this is the first page, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. We like everything to be seasonally coordinated up in here. So I will just grab the exact same one and put it down. Crisis averted. Why is it so hard to get things on straight on camera? I do not know. I do not have these problems when I'm on my own. All right, there we go. And then I think I want to use the Let's Stay Home sticker from the weekly kit because, like I said, I'm going to be home hanging out with you guys and all of the books. Okay. Oh, that looks so cute. I just love it. We also have Let's Stay Home in a signature version too, if you love it as well. And let's put on our weekend banner. Glorious. I'm going to use the But First coffee sticker with my little road trip because I always stop for a pumpkin spice latte as I'm driving home. So we'll put But First over here. And then I am planning to work out Thanksgiving morning. I'm sure it's going to be bananas at the gym in Napa, but that's okay. And we always watch Christmas movies after Thanksgiving and just eat like all of the leftovers. So I'm going to put that here. I'll just layer it over the glitter. It's fine. And what else? I know I'm going to be glamming so hard the Monday before. So put the little laptop sticker there. Since Monday is my last day of work before trading desktop for stovetop, I will put work mode over Monday because that looked so cute on the other side. Beautiful. Okay, let's step back and admire our work. How fun and beautiful. I just love how it came out. And I think I'll fill it in as we get closer, of course. So I'll probably just write down like what Glam Mom and I made and then what YouTube videos went live. 'Cause we're planning to film Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well, I won't be filming, but we're planning to pre-film. If you guys were with me last year, you will remember we did book club and God and Glam the weekend after this. I don't know if I'll get to both in the same weekend, but it was amazing. And I was just at home responding to all your comments and just hearing how excited you were for a brand new year of just all things paper and glam. So that was really, really fun. And you know what? I think one last thing, we'll use the little remote sticker because we always watch the parade in the morning. We kind of like have it on in the background. So I'll put that here. And that is a wrap on the Glam Thanksgiving Weekly Kit. I hope after that plan with me, you are as excited as I am for the Thanksgiving season. I just love November when it starts getting cold in LA finally, and we can kind of settle into the holiday season. It's just all the seasonal things. So let's see, in housekeeping news, we are heads down shipping the November subscriptions. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe for your November planner kit or just order some of the November collection, it's up, it's ready to ship, and I would love to send it home to you. We have a bit of an exciting announcement. In addition to the November collection release, we are going to be releasing the Christmas collection and the January collection in 2 weeks. So we are going to be releasing early this year because we want to get every gal her glam for the new year. So if you are planning to jump into this beautiful seasonal living lifestyle for the new year, I want to make sure we have a full head count of everyone. You know, January, of course, is the planner new year. So it's a time of year when everybody wants their planner glam even more than the rest of the year, especially since so many of you said you'll be joining us in January. So if you are in that boat, I cannot wait to get you on the list so that we can send stuff home nice and early this year and you can kind of plan over your Christmas break and all of that good stuff. And if you are planning to jump in January, I would love it if you would jump in with us now. There's no reason to wait because we have just the most gorgeous gorgeous Christmas collection coming for you, plus a pink Christmas weekly kit, and so much more. And of course, not to rush ahead, it's November. It's actually October, but you know, we're shipping November now, so I really feel like Paper and Glam, you know, with Paper and Glam, it's easy to celebrate with anything really. You know, it's easy to celebrate kind of the big ticket holidays, right? Like our Christmases and our falls and our Octobers, because, you know, everyone's doing the seasonal living thing, but it's really a full year lifestyle, and I'm really excited to bring that to life now, of course, during the holidays, but also as we progress through the year. So through the winter, through the spring, through the summer. So we're gonna go for full 365 glam this year. So with that, I will see you guys next Planning Sunday. Well, I'll be back before then, but we'll be back for Planning Sunday, of course, and we have more seasonal living content coming for you. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Right now, I'm probably sitting at home drinking coffee, just like hanging out, chatting with you guys. So